What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you guys my That Girl shower routine. I just got back from being on vacation in Arkansas for a week and this shower was very much needed. I get told all the time that I do have a lot of products in my shower and that I'm a little bit extra for that. But in my opinion, it's self-care. I swear, I do not have this much products in my shower or in my routine at all, but I've been getting introduced to a lot of products from TikTok and I absolutely love them. All these products in general are just so good. The way they feel, the way they smell especially, and the benefits that they have on my body is really amazing. I've been telling all my friends and family about them. I've been having a rant about these products. So I knew right away that I had to make this video. When I first get in the shower, I rinse my body, then I rinse my hair, then I take my Classic Clean shampoo by Pantene. This shampoo smells so bomb, it smells like a salon. And this helps you to achieve healthy looking hair by every wash. And I'm only applying it to the roots and down mid-length because I've been reading everywhere that we have been showering wrong. Like, what? I don't remember the exact video details, but I did look it up because it kind of did interest me. Quick little shampoo fact, ding ding. Apparently, shampoo is designed to clean the scalp and remove excess oil. So then if we use it too much, it's going to strip all the important oils and then it will leave our hair and our scalp dry. When you go to rinse, it's just going to rinse down to your tips anyways. And for conditioner, I'm just using the same one, just conditioner version. As you see, I'm applying the conditioner on the opposite of the shampoo, so mid-length to the ends of my hair. It is recommended that we do that because the ends of our hair tends to be drier. So when you apply the conditioner at the roots of your hair, it can weigh down your hair and cause your roots to appear super greasy, even right after you washed it. I honestly never knew this and I wish I knew it earlier. And I leave the conditioner in for about 5 minutes. While I let the conditioner do its thing, I take my turmeric shower gel. This is by Lip Gloss by Claudia. Not only is it a shower gel, but it can go on your face. This helps with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne, eczema, acne scars, and it brightens your skin. I love the way it feels on my face, and when I rub it in, it gets so bubbly and it's so soft on your skin. At first I thought it was like an odd smell, but honestly, I kind of like it. The smell of turmeric. Yeah, I'm weird. I have seen amazing results when using this, and when I rinse it off, like, my face feels so nice and clean. I love it, and it's so soft. Once I'm done with that, I rinse out my conditioner. After rinsing, I realized that my hair was not as soft as it normally is. Maybe I just didn't put in enough conditioner underneath my hair where I have the most problems and knots. I have no idea. I just know I wasn't satisfied, and I was like, alright, I'm putting in more. I'm gonna leave it in for a little bit longer like always, and we're just gonna continue on. But I definitely am going to be trying these shower tricks again because I really want to change my hair and make it more healthy. Now we're heading on to the smelly good stuff. So this stuff smells amazing. Like, I'm telling you, when I first smelled this, I was like, what the heck did they put in this? Because I'm addicted. It smells so good. Like, if this was a perfume, hello, here's it to shop, I'll buy it. This baby right here is the Dove body wash, but in mousse form. This gives you an instant relief from dry skin, and it's perfect because it is used also for shaving. Which, to be honest with you, I only use this for shaving. I have another body wash for my body. It's just, I really love this for shaving. And like I said, it just smells amazing. At this time, I only shave under my arms because I do shave my body later because I have a body scrub and everything for that. Now I finally go ahead and rinse my conditioner. Now by the end of this, my hair feels so much better, softer, and it feels so much cleaner. Now it is time to move on to the body. Before I apply body wash, I use this Moisture Boost Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter. It has hyaluronic serum in it and moringa oil. So basically this is like a pre-cleanse, and it also gives you 2 times moisture. So this, before your body wash, you will be smooth as a baby's butt all day. And I love the instant moisturized feel I get from this. And let me tell you, the smell is extravagant. Like, it is out of this world. Now mind you, if this perfume was over the other one, this one wins by a long shot. I had to get this product because I've seen it in a lot of shower videos and it's literally amazing. This is like a necessity in my shower routine. I promise you, please go pick this up. You will not regret it. Now that my body is smooth like a baby's butt, now it is time to take our Sugar Skin. This is by Bella Amore Body. You probably have seen her all over TikTok. This company has been blowing up. I got this one in mixed berries because I love anything berry related. I absolutely love the pink and the purple combination. They're so pretty together. I love this scrub because not only is it not too harsh, but I love when you rub it in and it foams up. For those of you who don't know the purpose of a body scrub, the purpose of a body scrub is to really scrub all that extra dead skin off, make sure your skin is nice, smooth, and prepped, super shiny, and it also helps with future breakouts too. Highly recommend before you shave, you do use a body scrub. Just scrub all that off. It also does help with strawberry leg, and also it does help prevent ingrown hairs. And for my razor, in case there is going to be people who are wondering, I do use men razors. I feel like personally they give you the best shave. Now that I'm all nice and shaven, now I take my Dove body wash. This one caught my attention because it said sun rehydrate on it. This actually contains vitamin E and aloe vera, and this also has a 10 times moisture boost, just like the pre-cleanse body butter. These 2 products together are honestly like chef's kiss for your skin. I was having a hard choice between the body wash, just like the pre-cleanse body butter, because they're literally like the same thing, but then I saw this one and I was like, well, I live in Arizona, so I caught this one instead. And if you live somewhere where there's not a lot of sun, or you normally just don't go out in the sun, I highly recommend the body wash, just like the pre-cleanse body butter, because the body butter was just amazing as it is. I cannot imagine the body wash. I'm actually thinking about going back to Walmart to pick that up, because I'm not always in the sun. Now that I'm all done with the body wash, now I'm taking my turmeric shower gel yet again and just putting this all over my body. But the body is clean, now it's time to take care of our meow meow downstairs. So I have the Yoni oil and the V Good wash. They both kind of do the same thing. They're both pH balancing, they both relieve itching, reduce inflammation, and they both contain antifungal properties to help yeast infections and UTIs. I love the Yoni oil fresh after shaving because it helps me not get ingrown hairs, and it's really soothing, makes your skin super soft. Now, I cannot shower without my V-Wash. That thing goes everywhere with me. Like, it's a necessity. And I love that it eliminates odor, and she also proved that it is pH balancing, which I like because Summer's Eve is nasty. After that, I just took a foot scrub and I went to go scrub the bottoms of my feet. And I took the other end of that brush and cleaned underneath my nails, and I cleaned behind my ears. And then we're done. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye, guys.